Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the live update of the Polygon Matic. What's the current price of Polygon? What's the price change in the Polygon? In this video I'm going to show you. And you know what, my friends, in this video I'm predicated that Polygon Matic that in the July, my friends, in the July, you know what, today is the first day of the July. So in the July the price pump or dump. Let's see, my friends, on the basis of technical analysis. But before starting this video, please, my friends, I request everyone to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you all subscribe my channel. So now this time, my friends, now in the beginning of the July, the Polygon Matic is very badly falls down. You know what, 1.1%, 1.1 USD dollar is the current price of the channel Polygon Matic, my friends. Furthermore, you can see here, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic, so completely fast down occur at this time in the Polygon, my friends. Completely you are in the loss. Now the last 1 hour, 1 day, last 1 week change occur in the Polygon Matic is completely fast down. Let me show you the price chart, what's going on in the Polygon Matic, my friends. My friends, from the chart that's also clear that the Polygon Matic price is completely going down. And I think from the May, my friends, you can see here at this time the price of Polygon Matic fast down. It is the, I think, and the end from the end of the May month, the June month completely fast down. June month is the completely fast down occurring. Now in the July, the beginning is fast down, but my prediction is positive about Polygon Matic, and I believe that Polygon Matic have to take a jump, my friends. You know what, that is the common rules of the cryptocurrencies market, that after a falls there is a jump. So my prediction is positive about Polygon Matic, and I'm sure that they have to take a pump, my friends. That is why I'm telling you that there is a lot of possibilities with the price pump, not jump, my friends. So the future of Polygon Matic is positive. That is why I'm telling you to please hold for a long time. Absolutely, you will get high amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Polygon Matic? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.